You don't become weak by accident. You become weak when you lose control over what you can control. And most people never realize they've already handed that control away, piece by piece. The Stoicism teaches one brutal truth. Some things are in your control, and most are not. Yet weakness begins when you obsess over what isn't yours, people's opinions, outcomes, luck, while neglecting your own thoughts, actions, and discipline. The first habit that weakens you is dependence on comfort. Epictetus warned that if you seek ease, you become a slave to it. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you train your mind to avoid hardship, and a mind that avoids hardship can never become strong. Then comes the addiction to distraction. Endless scrolling, noise, and stimulation pull you away from presence. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily to guard his attention because a distracted mind is easily controlled, and anything easily controlled is weak. Another silent habit is emotional reaction. Getting angry, frustrated, or offended at everything means you are ruled by external events. Stoicism teaches that it's not events that disturb you, but your judgment about them. And if you don't master that, you remain fragile. Next is inconsistency in action. You say you will change, but your actions don't follow. To the Stoics, discipline is not intensity, it is repetition. Weakness grows when your actions don't align with your values, even in small moments. Then there is the habit of blaming others. Seneca believed that blaming external things makes you powerless. The moment you take full responsibility for your life, you reclaim your strength, because now change is in your hands. Avoiding hardship is another hidden trap. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort, cold, hunger, simplicity, not to suffer, but to train the mind. When you willingly face discomfort, you remove the fear of it, and without fear, weakness has no place to grow. So begin today, pause, observe, and correct. Remove one habit that steals your control and replace it with conscious action. Because in the Stoic way, strength is simple. Master yourself, and nothing outside you can ever make you weak.